Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I did my wipe transition in my green screen video from a while back. You're going to have to forgive me a little bit today because of space constraints. I'm about like 2 inches away from mine, so we're going to get some shadows. But if you're ready to learn how to do this transition, let's get into the video. Alright, so now we are in Davinci Resolve. First thing we need to do is grab a green background clip. And we're going to go ahead and use this one, which is the one that you just watched. Control-Alt-L to unlink these. I'm going to select only the audio. I'm going to delete it. And then I'm going to hop on over here, find where my hand comes up. Alright, so there it is. We're going to cut there, delete that, find where my hand stops, and we're going to delete the back. So we just have me doing a push across the screen. So from here, we're going to jump into Fusion. And then we're going to key this with our Delta keyer. If you want to see how to get a better key than this, I have a whole video on green screen techniques. That's going to be linked in the description down below and also in a card up here right now. But for this quick and dirty one, we're just going to go Delta keyer. We're going to grab our background color right there. And we're just going to call that good for right now. The Delta keyer here, you can actually mask. So what we're going to do is grab a rectangle, and we're going to make sure that it's the full size of our canvas here. We're going to move it all the way on over. Alright, we're going to zoom out. So hold control and then use the scroll wheel to zoom around. And we're going to match this up with my hand right there. Now that we've got that where we want it to be, we're going to go ahead and keyframe the center of our mask. And since we started a keyframe on this mask, we should be able to just drag it little by little so that it can follow the back of that pinky there, frame by frame. Just move it back to the spot where you want it to be. Alright, so that's what we're working with, and you can see it follows the hand across. And we've just used one single property keyframed on that mask. So now we're going to go ahead and connect this to the mask input on the Delta keyer here. And then if we watch it, just like that. So if we pop into edit and put something behind here, like these horses, move that up, and then we watch this back. Whoop. It's a really short clip, but that's how you do it. You just push and wipe. So that is how I did the green screen wipe transition technique that I used in my green screen video that you guys have been asking about. So there it is. That's all for today. I will see you next week.